Okay, good morning guys, it's Ian Coleman from Trader Management Company. Just going to run through a few currency pairs this morning. It is 8:45, 9th of June. We've got ECB, Bank of England later on today, so there's a lot of anticipation on what's expected. I'm not expecting any rate hikes. I actually expect Treasury to be a bit bearish today. I'm going to explain why in a second. Okay, euro dollar, just got a very plain chart on here. I'm just going to talk about price action. Euro dollar consolidation period here. Okay, yesterday tried to engulf. It's actually an inside candle, an inside Harami, which shows investor or trader indecision. Just taking it down to 4 hours. Okay, hit the trend line here. 4 hour engulfing, only the bodily engulfing, not the full candle. So not the best signal in the world, bit of a weak upward signal. Just note this area of resistance here, and then 1 hour I've marked all my analysis. Okay, left shoulder, we had a rising wedge that we talked about at the beginning of the week. Okay, broke out of the wedge, down in a 5-wave pattern yesterday. I think that's forming A. Okay, up in a 3-wave pattern today towards this right shoulder, 146.62. May stop short. You want to look into shorter time frames to see whether or not you can get a small 3-wave pattern up. Obviously look for reversal signals around this area. Then I'm looking for a push down towards the neckline, okay, to form the right shoulder, a break of the right shoulder, and then a move down towards 38.2%, which is 144.20. So just a reversal, okay, a correction, not a reversal I should say. Okay, so very short term bullish, bearish, and then possibly up again, but we'll take note of price action when we get down towards this level. Okay, Aussie dollar, talked about this one yesterday, did get short, got stopped out overnight unfortunately. Okay, Aussie dollar, choppy move down, choppy move back up, but can be seen in a 3-wave pattern. Inside doji pattern, inside Harami doji, and then a push back down. Again, the legs aren't particularly fantastic. Had a descending wedge here, which had a bias to break to the upside, and then we had an upside wedge which had a bias to break to the downside. So both consolidating, and then impulse break lower. Okay. Bad figures out of Australia for unemployment last night, pushed it down. Now got an inside Harami candle on 4 hours. 1 hour I've just shorted here. Okay, I think I actually got in at 03, 106.03. I'm expecting this wave pattern, 1, 2, aggressive down in 3, 3-wave pattern up in 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then down in 5. Expect it to be choppy. Looking for these target areas, 105.37, 105.06. okay, it will, I think what will happen is we'll get a spike through there and then a pullback, okay, to close above, another choppy sequence up, and then probably bearish down again, but we'll take it as we see it. At the moment, looking for sell trades. Okay, and the last one in this morning's video, you can see what I'm looking at. Okay, choppy 3-wave pattern up, aggressive, if you look at this weekly chart, aggressive move up. Okay, daily engulfing off the top, but I'm only expecting a move down towards this sort of area. Okay, about 88.43. Had a nice correction this morning to get a short in. Okay, expecting it down towards this sort of area. Okay, 88.30, 88.40 area. And here's my short-term wave patterns. I think I put them on yesterday. So here was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then a small correction up this morning. Was watching this area, but got an engulfing pattern off the top, which was enough for me to get short. Okay, guys, have a great day, and I'll speak to you again soon.